It's glitching! That was a really weird face, please. I'm sorry. What is this? I don't get you. Clothing. Shirts. I'm gonna look on shirts first. No, I'm not. Pants are always, like, normally come with a shirt and pants, which, like, makes me so happy. I'm like, I have 210 Robux, as y'all can see in the little corner. Uh, I don't know what to, like, use it for, because my friend who donated it to me, shout out to her, him, sorry. I have a her that also gave me money, but him, bless me. No one said bless you. Oh, yes, I'm getting this, because, um, y'all don't know my grip, though, but I have to buy this. It's the only way. It is the only way. The only way. Guys, you don't even know. If y'all know Larry, you know. You know. You know. Oh, my legs. My legs are killing me right now. Alright, take an evening, man. What for 71? What the? Cute ripped jean outfit. Just gonna search up cute ripped jean. Cute rip jean outfit. Ow, my leg, my leg, my leg. Okay, that was a snort. I'm so sorry, guys. I can sometimes snort for some. Oh, I have to put that in like pants. Yeah. There it is. 75. I need it for like really cheap. These are getting cheaper, but I need it for 5. I just saw it. I just skipped it. Cheap clothing. Nice name. Cheap clothing. Like, I want to see what it looks in 2D because my body's 2D. Ow! I just smacked myself. Ow, 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 ow. This is cute. I'm buying it. I have 200 now. Robux. Let's see how much hair is her. Okay, what the heck? Her. Okay. Okay. Should I, like, my friend told me not to waste it on, what is it called? Animation. But I really want to. I feel like it's gonna be good, but I'm not. Blush. Heads, faces. I'm gonna get a face. New face. All I need is my pickle. Put those. All I need is my. Why are faces so expensive? It's a face. I mean, what's so expensive about that? I have a braces face though. All I need is an echo of us and a bar with a What is that? Treble, treble, treble. Just treble. That's 100. I like the bubble ones. Like, these are cute. With the blue bubble, purple bubble, green bubble, bubble treble. Those are so expensive though, because they're limited. Smile, smile. It's music though. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. Ow, ow. Rolling pin swords. Wow, that's sad. Like, sad, sad. Sandwich swords. That's even carrot swords. This is really sad.